What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and let's talk about AMC some more again today. AMC has been up over 100% in just the past week. AMC was trading at around $11 but it went all the way up to $35 and it's back down to around $25 right now. And I've seen the reports that AMC has already been squeezed, that the short squeeze has already happened. And it's just my opinion guys, but I don't believe that that's true. I don't think that the short squeeze has already happened. I think that what we saw last week or on Friday for the most part wasn't a short squeeze, and the short squeeze is actually coming this week. Now, I understand why some people may think that it has already happened because the price shot up all the way to $35, which was over a 100% increase, and then the price went back down to $25 very quickly. And if we look at what's actually happening behind the scenes, you'll begin to realize that the short squeeze is yet to come and it's going to be massive. Now, just a quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. This is just my opinion and my own predictions on what's going to be happening with AMC. And you guys can comment below and let me know what you think is going to be happening as well. Let me know if you agree or disagree. Comment below and let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you think that the squeeze has already happened or do you think that it is coming this week. Also, give me your price predictions for AMC tomorrow on Tuesday. Do you think that AMC is going to go up to $40 on Tuesday, $50, $100? Comment below and let me know what you think. Now, if we look at AMC, you'll see that massive vertical spike and you're saying, well, why wouldn't there be a sell-off at $35 and why would the price come back all the way down to $25 if this wasn't the squeeze so quickly? And the reason for this happening is because there are a lot of short-term investors here that just want to make money, a lot of money. And in all fairness, if you actually invested in AMC while it was at $11 or possibly even lower, and the price shot up all the way to $35, which is 3 times or more on your investment, then naturally anyone who is in this to make money would start pulling the profits or pulling their investments. So yes, there was a sell-off, people sold, people took profits. That is natural. That's always going to happen whenever you see a massive vertical price increase in a straight line going up. And people are going to sell right after because people are going to want to lock in at least some of their profits. So that's what we saw happening on Friday with that sell-off. Now this happens with every stock. There is no stock that just goes up in a straight line vertically forever. It always goes up, then there's a pullback, and then there's some sort of consolidation before it makes a massive price increase again. So this is completely natural. This is healthy looking. I don't think that AMC is about to crash. I think that the short squeeze is coming up and the price is going to shoot up this coming week. And many of these traders know this, right? They know this and they realize that a vertical line on the chart will result in a pullback, and it would even make sense to sell off at the high at about $35 or thereabout and then jump back in once the stock falls back to $25 or thereabout. And that's probably what happened on Friday as well. Now, with that said, on Friday, AMC was the most active stock on the New York Stock Exchange by far, with more than over 650 million shares changing hands. AMC is at the top of the list that has the most activity on the New York Stock Exchange. And so AMC is far from being dead, guys. AMC is going to be very active this coming week. There were also 4 million borrowed shares on Friday. These shares were borrowed because the shorts are coming in. So this is definitely not over. And now, even though we have a massive short or these massive short positions opening up, the shorts aren't winning as of right now. They aren't winning. This isn't over because they have already lost over $1.5 billion, and that's only in the past week. In just the past 7 or 8 days, the shorts, they lost over $1.5 billion on AMC. So Wall Street bets and retail investors are definitely fighting back and seem to be winning this one. Now, the reason that I think this is going to be massive and a very active week coming for AMC is because usually a typical US stock has about a 5% short interest. That's usually the norm. But AMC currently has over 20%, and this information is delayed. So after this weekend, that may be up to 25%, and that's a massive increase in short interest. That's definitely not normal, and this information is coming from S3 Partners. I'm not making this stuff up. I never do. You guys can go and fact check everything that I'm saying here. If you look at the call contracts, a lot of people are buying into call contracts right now. If we go 3 weeks out, we can see the call interest is much higher than the put interest. And this is actually for every week. We have call open interest total at almost 600,000. 1,000 and put interest total at just over 300,000. So that's a massive difference. That just simply tells me that more people are bullish on AMC. We have more bulls coming in on AMC and people are more bullish than bearish. So this is actually working in the favor of short squeeze or off a short squeeze happening very, very soon. Now, if you guys go a step further and you look at some of the calls, there is one, a very popular one, which is a $40 strike price, which has a open interest of a whopping 220,000, which is massive. That is colossal. You don't normally see this. Also, the implied volatility is over 300%. So people are definitely bullish on AMC, and I think that the short squeeze is just around the corner. It's going to happen, and it's going to be a massive squeeze. Now, guys, remember, with each call contract being open, there are about 100 shares of stock being bought. That's usually how the market makers do it. And so with this massive amount of contracts being opened, the market makers, or volume traders, some people call them volume traders, they are pouring in a lot of money. They have to keep on buying stocks because of this. And this is going to create a gamma squeeze, in my opinion. And then once that creates that gamma squeeze, the price is going to skyrocket. And that is the catalyst. Then once the price skyrockets from there, other retail investors and Wall Street bets and even hedge funds sitting on the sidelines are going to see the price increasing. They're going to see the price skyrocketing, and they're going to want in on the action. And so they're going to start dumping money in AMC as well because they want to invest and make money. And then that is also going to create that squeeze where the price is going to further skyrocket. And while all this is happening, the shorts will have to keep covering their positions. And this is where you stand to make a lot of money if this actually plays out just like this. So with all that being said, comment below and let me know what are your predictions for AMC. What do you think is going to happen coming Tuesday when trading resumes? Do you think AMC is going to get to $40, $50, $100? Comment below and let me know what are your thoughts on AMC. And with that said, be sure to check all the links down below in the description for free and helpful stuff where you can get either free stocks or free crypto or free cash from offers that I'm leaving, and I'm leaving multiple links in the description. So be sure to check all those links. Now, if you haven't already done so, give this video a thumbs up if you like the content, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so you can get the updates from this channel. And remember, guys, I post videos here every single day. So with all that said, I hope you guys make a lot of money with trading crypto and in the stock market as well. And I will see you guys very soon in the next one.